Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable autosave when uploading TikTok posts. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and I'm going to create a post on my TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus button, and for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. So I'm just going to select this photo to be my TikTok post, and we can click on next. And if you want to disable autosave when uploading TikTok posts, make sure that you disable this feature, guys. You have to turn up this feature, the save to device feature. If you want to turn it up, you just need to click on the circle button, and right after you disable this feature, your content or your post on TikTok won't be automatically saved to your device, and you have to do it one by one. Whenever you want to upload a content to TikTok, make sure that you disable this save to device feature, so the post won't be automatically saved to your gallery. Okay, and after you disable this feature, you can click on post to post your video or your content or TikTok on TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable autosave when uploading TikTok posts. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.